service through to Port Albert Parkway. This service will now call at Reading, Swindon, Bristol Parkway, Newport, Cardiff Central, Bridgend, Port Albert Parkway. Due to arrive into Port Albert Parkway at 30:16 this afternoon. As I said before departure, we do have a 10-car service, 2 5-car trains joined together in the middle. There will be no walkway between the 2 sets of trains, and the only way you can do it is via a platform at a station. So first class accommodation on board can be found towards the very front and towards the middle. Towards the very front, carriage E and half of carriage D, towards the middle, carriage L and half of carriage K. Standard class accommodation towards the middle and towards the very rear, carriages G, H, J and half of carriage K, and carriage A, B, C and half of carriage D are not your designated standard class accommodation. Now we do have 2 quiet carriages on board towards the very middle and towards the rear. Towards the rear, carriage T, towards the middle, carriage A are your designated quiet carriages. Can I ask all customers, if you are travelling in this particular carriages, please refrain from using mobile phones or any personal care equipment. Your assistance in this will be very much appreciated. So one last thing, safety and security announcement. CCTV is in full operation on this service throughout. This is for your benefit and for others. Also please be aware of your luggage and personal items on board at all times, and if you do see anything or anyone acting suspiciously, then please do not hesitate to report it to a member of onboard train crew. You can text British Transport Police on 61016.
You're riding to Reading on. Tell me what.
First station call on the service in just under 22 minutes time will be ready. Thank you.
Nope. He's there. Yeah, I just figured that actually there's no point me telling you what platform the plan is. We'll drive you to Reading.
Good morning, Garda Crew. So welcome aboard. My name is Karen. I'm part of your onboard catering team this morning. Just a quick catering update for you. We are currently setting up,
Right.
and then we'll shortly be passing through with our at-seat trolley service on both standard class and on first class. Serving a range of snacks and
Fine.
hot we have a range of deals available for you in standard class today. These do include any hot drink and selected snack, which does include Twix, Kit Kat, Dairy Milk or shortbread, but just for £4.10.
The front
And
heading
we do have a meal
towards
deal special
destination.
that does include a sandwich and selected packet of crisps and drinks for
seat
just £7.
12 and 11, so
And
it's
we do
kind
have
of
a
very
range of
close to
beers,
the
wines,
doors
and
that we
spirits,
embark on.
so please do stop us and answer about these as we come.
Yeah, of course.
Payment for any items will be by card or contact lens, which does include Apple Pay. Please keep all out clear of any luggage or personal items, so we can pass through the carriages quickly. Thank you very much. See you on Valia.